Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the connection succeeds. Plug the Nest Mini into power and wait for the white pulsing light. That indicates pairing mode. Open the Google Home app on your phone while on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into your Google account. Tap the plus to add a device and choose New Device. The app scans for the Mini. Doing this now saves time later because the device and app exchange credentials immediately. Once the app finds the Nest Mini, confirm the device code you hear or see to prevent pairing errors. Next, pick your Wi-Fi network and type the password carefully. An incorrect character stops the setup. After network connection, the app prompts for voice match. Enable it so Google recognizes your voice and personalizes results. Finally, assign a room name. This organizes devices for multi-room commands and keeps future voice commands reliable and finish by running the speaker and microphone tests in the app to confirm audio. Adjust default music services and assistant settings for calendar, reminders, and privacy. This tailors responses to you. If an update is offered, install it now and leave the Mini powered until the update completes. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot your router and the Nest Mini, then repeat setup. Network resets clear IP conflicts that commonly block device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.